Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best in healthy living. Today, we're going to share with you our top 5 healthy recipes that are both nutritious and delicious. First up, we have a vibrant and refreshing salad packed with leafy greens, colorful veggies, and a tangy homemade dressing. Next on the list is a protein-packed quinoa bowl loaded with roasted vegetables and a flavorful lemon herb dressing. If you're craving something light yet satisfying, our third recipe is a zucchini noodle stir-fry made with a savory garlic sauce. For a quick and easy option, our fourth recipe features a flavorful sheet pan chicken and vegetable bake that requires minimal prep and cleanup. Our fifth and final recipe is a guilt-free chocolate avocado mousse that's creamy and decadent. All of these recipes are designed to nourish your body with wholesome ingredients and are great options for both lunch and dinner. Incorporating these dishes into your weekly meal plan is a fantastic way to add variety and promote a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, these recipes are simple enough for anyone to make and enjoy. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor, and these recipes are proof of that. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will delight your taste buds and fuel your body, let's get started with our first recipe. Grab your cutting board, sharpen your knives, and let's create these mouth-watering healthy dishes together. Remember, your health is your wealth, and investing in nutritious meals is the first step towards a happier and more vibrant life. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes, tips, and tricks to help you live your best life.